Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're looking at Apple and Tesla on the daily time frame using technical analysis here at StockBookie.com. If you like these videos, go to my website, sign up, or click down here in the bottom right hand corner and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Guys, we go live, so make sure you subscribe, make sure you like it, come by, check us out. We do the same thing here that we do in a live stream session. It's pretty cool. Stop by, we'll have some fun. All right, Apple daily chart, $2.23 up, a little bit down after hours, 26 million shares traded, 1.16% green on the day. So we're stalling out at this 50 MA, but we did close above it, so now we're in a stronger stance. I told you guys, hey bulls, I'll talk to you if we ever get above these MAs. Bam, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days, guys, we're above them. Unbelievable rally. So if you caught these with calls or even a long share position, guys, or anything, make sure you're taking some profits, especially on the options, because you don't want to be chopping and slopping, and next thing you know, that great call trade turns into a still 100%er. But my God, if you caught this one, you caught some nice gains. Congratulations. We did catch a little bit of this. I got out and took my money and said thank you very much. On to the next one. I have no position in Apple at this time, so maybe in the future, well, if we get a little bit higher, I might short it, but if we go down lower, I might go long somewhere. I would probably have to wait for down here. So right now, this action in the markets, a little bit down, a little bit up, a little bit down, so a little bit fierce. So take smaller positions and just get through these markets, guys. We had another great day today. We shorted calls on the SPY, on the Qs for nice gains. And then we bought puts too as well on the SPY. So just in case if they just shaked and baked us all day. We had the decay play, and then we had the put play where we just pulled them off. Boom, guys, in and out. We bought at 93, got out at 160. The options went to 280 if you held. I was out at 160, and that was it. Thank you very much. On to the next one. Then the short calls worked out great. We even shorted calls on Amazon today for about 5 points or so. And those are quick in and outs, guys. You take even one contract in Amazon, it's $100 every dollar. Boom, 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 you make $500, you get out. You do 10 of those, guys, you make $5 grand, you get out. You do more than that, you have a super huge account, guys, you get out. Take the money and run in these types of markets, all right? So 5-6 days up and a good resistance. We still have a couple gap fills here. The big one will be 200, then 204.10, the 750 retrace. If we get above that and starts chopping or starts really going, look at the gap fill, and then of course there's pivot top at 215 area. But a nice retrace so far. Let's see where we go, guys. Still a little bit above the 50, a little bit below the 618. Running into a little bit of resistance. Bottom line for the bulls, guys, you got to at least get above that 198.15. I mean, it's got to keep going here. Maybe more news or something like that. Just come on, prop it with some more news. This was the rate cut rally, the Mexico trade deal, really close. And China, they haven't thrown that out because that deal has been close since last year, December 3rd at the G20. Maybe they bring it to the next G20, and that's when they gap it up again, they sell it off again. They can't do the same thing again, can they? And then they do it, and it's like, oh my gosh, they just did it. So nice retrace, guys. Let's see where we go. Do we do sideways, stay above the trend line here and then pop, or does it just kind of chop, chop, chop up and down, below it, then above it, below it? Good stance now above the MA. So we'll see what we get in the next couple of days. Right now, just nice push. They held it up, a little bit up on the day. Hey, hats off, Apple. Nice going. Save the markets today. Again, no position in Apple, so I can really care less. Tesla, we sold our calls. No position in Tesla, but we'll still day trade this one here and there. Nothing yet. I'd still wait for a little bit higher prices to short, even up in here, But for me right now, guys, with calls, puts, anything, I make money, I'm out. I'm not screwing around. I'm not going to hold on so I could wake up tomorrow to the wrong side. And at this point, we had some nice gaps up. I wouldn't doubt it. We get some nice gaps down now. So that's something to watch. Tesla, though, still in the lower range, guys. It was up 422. It's up a little bit after hours on some conference crap or something like that. But the next big area is about the 230-ish area, 229. Let's see where this went to. After hours. Where do we go? Look at that. Almost 229. Jeez, 230. And where's the gap? The gap fill is at... close 228. Yeah, so we did fill the gap when it went up, and it came right back in. But we're up, we're up still a couple bucks. Let's see if that holds until tomorrow. Watch this 230 area. We get above that. Watch I'll go with about I'm just going to say 240 because I got a couple gap fills here too. And if it can start scratching and clawing its way up, then really 260 is your main one right here. That's where you have a lot of low pivots. This is where it broke down with the production numbers. A lot of bag holders here though, guys. that's been holding on this thing from since 260 average price. So a lot of those people might become sellers. And if not, watch, they'll bring it up, get everybody excited, and then they'll slam it down in again. But still down in the woods, still below the MAs, a little bit stronger because you're above the 20. But really, I got to see more. Weekly charts, not bad. You had a nice reversal on some volume, but then this week, we're only in Tuesday. We got to see where the volume is, and let's see on a weekly close. Let's see if we can stay above this gap fill. If we can stay above 211.21 or so, then it's not bad. But look at this one. From this, where are we? From that little pivot here to that low, we're right into the 5.0 retrace. So it could go either way on Tesla right now, guys. But it looks like it's getting some news. It's trying. I think anything at this point is going to try to go up. If Elon even, did another thing with Joe on Elon 420, maybe that will make it go higher, So, but hey, another 680. If that opens up tomorrow up, boom, bulls, you're in charge. Man, gap fill. Watch that gap fill at 228.33. If you can't get above that, it might have some problems. And it's still a little bit away from here, a couple bucks away. I mean, it is Tesla. If it goes through there, then you're watching the 238-ish area to 240-ish area because they have a couple gap fills here. And another one. You got a lot of stuff coming up, so this thing's going to have to make a charge. A run for the roses, guys. But if it stays below the 50 and just keeps chopping down, this will be setting up for lower prices eventually. So just be careful all the way around. What I tell my members right now, guys, small positions, keep them accordingly. Spread them out a little bit. Keep them under the 10% if you're in shares. Keep them under 1% if you're doing puts or calls. Just keep them small. Tomorrow we can wake up to a freaking huge gap down and everything. The world's coming to an end. Today it's, time to buy Tesla. It's like, well, you already had a $40 push. Now you're telling people time to buy. Then they'll get in here, guys, they'll turn over and roll over again. Jeez. So, again, we're in a channel going up and down. We're pretty much at the 50% retrace. Let's see what it gives us. I mean, we're right at the 50% from this high to that low. It could go either way. It looks like it's going to pop tomorrow, but we still have a lot of stuff coming up here, so watch for that. All right, guys, thanks again for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe for our live stuff. Don't forget to like the video, too. And then we'll be pumping out more of these in this week, and then I'm looking at a couple other ones. If you guys have any ideas, send me a email, stockbookie@gmail.com, and tell me what you want to look at, and I'll make a quick video for you, and we'll post some new stuff too. So, all right, guys, let's see what else I want to show. We had this trade today, guys. A member brought this one out. Nice, we got in right around 106, guys, almost at the top. And a nice pullback. We're out of most of it, guys. Quarter position now. So for you guys who stuck around, that one we took. Beyond. Traded that one. Oh my gosh. Just like Tilray, guys. Up, 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 up. Do it while you can. I mean, you got to go slow and steady. Got our average price. We were underwater, guys. And then boom, got paid. Still holding a little bit on this one. And that was one. Hold your breath. Hold your breath. And then the next one was Zoom. Before we go here. A couple more high flyers, guys. Look at that one. Up, 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 up. And a nice $10 pullback. Unbelievable. 91.50 that goes. I think we get easily into the 80s. Easily. There's a big gap fill at $80, $79. So for me, though, I'm out. Not at most of it, but half of it. And I'm going to see if I can ride this one a little bit more. So, all right, guys, that's it. Thanks again. God bless. See you on the charts.